Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF with a digital signature certificate. First, ensure your digital signature certificate token is plugged into your computer. Next, verify that the necessary DSC software or drivers are installed and running correctly on your system. This setup prepares your environment, allowing the digital signature to be recognized and applied securely. Having everything ready saves time and prevents common issues during the signing process, making it smooth and efficient for you to proceed. Now, open the PDF document you wish to sign using a compatible application like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar PDF viewer. Once open, locate the digital signature tool within the application's menu. This tool is often found under Tools, Protect, or a dedicated Certificates tab, depending on your software version. Finding this option is your next crucial step, guiding you directly to the signature placement feature. This prepares your document for the secure signing process. With the digital signature tool selected, you will typically be prompted to draw a rectangle where you want your signature to appear on the document. After defining the signature area, a dialog box will appear, asking you to select your digital ID from the list. Choose the appropriate digital signature certificate that you wish to use for signing. This step securely links your unique digital identity to the document, ensuring authenticity and integrity for verification purposes. After selecting your DSC and confirming, the signature will be applied to your PDF. It is crucial to review the signature's appearance and details to ensure it looks correct and is properly placed. Then, carefully save the document as a new file or overwrite the existing one, depending on your preference. Saving creates a permanent record of the signed document, making it ready for sharing or submission, preserving its integrity for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.